To add audio to a card website, the correct and simplest method is to use the built-in audio element. This is the recommended approach for most users because it works directly inside card without needing external embed code or advanced configuration. Start by opening your card dashboard and selecting the website where you want to add audio. Click Edit Site to enter the builder where all design and content elements are managed. Once inside the editor, click the Add Element button, usually shown as a plus icon. From the list of available elements, choose Audio. This is the native audio feature in Card and is designed specifically for adding music, voice clips, or background sound. After adding the audio element, you will need to provide your audio source. This can be an uploaded audio file such as MP3 or a supported hosted link depending on your setup. Card will automatically generate an audio player once the file is added. Next, configure the playback settings. You can choose whether users see playback controls, whether the audio should loop, and whether it should start automatically when a page loads. Keep in mind that autoplay may be restricted by browsers depending on user settings. After configuring the audio settings, place the audio element in the desired position on your page. Many users place it in a header section, footer, or a dedicated media section depending on the design of the site. It is important to preview your site before publishing to make sure the audio loads correctly and plays as expected. This helps ensure a smooth experience for visitors. Once everything is working properly, click Publish to make the changes live on your card website. And that's how you add audio to card. Use the audio element, upload or link your file, adjust playback settings, and publish your site for a working music feature.